When you're involved in a real estate transaction, a lot of money changes hands. That makes you a target for criminals who send emails with false wiring instructions to buyers, sellers, mortgage brokers, and real estate agents. If a third party sends false wiring instructions, even under the guise of someone involved in the transaction, and you send money to that account, not only does the criminal get the money, but you may never see that money again. How do you avoid being scammed? To ensure you receive wiring instructions in the safest manner possible, visit our office in person or get them from the initial order package, which you will receive either in person or in the mail from your Stewart Title representative. Before wiring funds, always speak with your Stewart Title representative using the contact information in your initial order package to verify instructions. Never rely only on email for wiring instructions, as accounts can be faked or hacked and messages can be intercepted. If at any point during a transaction you receive changes to the wiring instructions you have been provided, call your Stewart Title representative for verification. Always use a verified telephone number, never the number in the email with the wiring instructions. If you're concerned that the contact information you have may be fake, go to stewart.com and click on the Locate an Office link. Enter the information for the local office and then ask to speak to a Stewart Title representative.